Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to find the mean, median, mode, and standard deviation of a dataset in Python. You must be wondering why would you want to know how to do this? Well, these parameters are important in statistics and data analysis, and I will be using Jupyter Notebook thus to show you how to find them. Make sure to check the video description as I'll try and leave written instructions there. So the first thing we do is import the statistics as stat. I'm going to run this line now. Next, we're going to start out with a data set. I'm going to call it X, and our data set is going to be in the form of a list. I'm just going to use some random numbers here. Right, this is now my data set in the form of a list. So to determine the mean, we're simply going to assign this to mean. We're going to say mean is equal to stat.mean, mean of x. And if we run that, well, nothing happens, obviously, because we didn't print that. So now, if you want to actually see what the mean is, you will simply print mean, and that gives you the mean, which is 4.5. We do a similar thing for the median, so just assign stat.median of x to stat. And if we print this and run it, that should give us the median. It's 4.5 as well. Interesting. So this actually, the command for the median actually sorts out the data in ascending order before it finds the middle value. Right, the same is done for the mode. So same thing here. Stat.mode of x, and if you print mode, okay. As you can see, this raised an error. The error is that there is no unique mode. That is obviously because none of the numbers appear more times than any of the other numbers. So if we just fix that by, let's add an 8. And if we run that, that should give us the mode, which is 8. This also obviously changes the median and the mean. Right. Next, the standard deviation. This is quite similar, so I'm going to assign that as SD for standard deviation. If you say stat.stdv of x, print this. Oops, I don't know what I just typed. You print this. This should give you the standard deviation as 2.57. And yeah, there you have it. If you wanted to know how to find the mean, median, mode, and standard deviation, these are simple statistical measures. Well, this is how you would do it for a dataset in Python. This is the easiest way I know how, and if you know of another way to do this, then leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos.